Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a restricted account on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve a restricted account on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Magic Tiles 3. Here. After that you'll enter to first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Magic Tiles 3, and if you'll find her update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.